After unknowingly reaching the end of Tanner's Ridge Road, this adventure took a detour towards Lewis Falls. Lewis Falls, located in the southern part of Shenandoah National Park, Virginia, is a stunning multi-tiered waterfall accessible via the 3.3-mile Lewis Falls Trail. The trail, starting from the South River picnic area, offers a moderately challenging hike with scenic views of lush forests and rocky outcrops. The falls, about 81 feet high, are particularly striking in spring and fall, with vibrant greenery and colorful foliage, though they are also beautiful in winter. The area is home to diverse wildlife, including deer and black bears, making it a rewarding destination for nature lovers. Sturdy hiking shoes and plenty of water are recommended for the trek.
Maybe she was up there still.
Oh, she is. See, she bolted her. You can't see her from the side. Maybe it was 81 centimeters.
Oh, fucking disappointment that would have been. Hiking all the way out here for... Yeah.
Feet.
Till we get down there?
Right there.
250 feet, cool. Almost there, guys. We're almost there. Waterfall safety. Stay on trail. Rocks are slick and a fall can be fatal. Never walk on rocks or wade above waterfalls. Area around falls will be especially hazardous in icy conditions. And there's a park emergency number of 1-800-732-0911. Let's hope like hell we don't need any of that. Get some good views. Well, if you can hear it, we're at Lewis Falls, right?
Sounds right.
What we didn't know is we're at the top of Lewis Falls. I don't think you can get down to the bottom, or at least if you can get down to the bottom, you can't get down to the bottom where we're at on the trail that we took. And it was a hell of a time getting here, man. It wasn't too crazy, but it was crazy enough for the views. I mean, it's still a pretty good view out there in the vista and everything, and you can kind of see the waterfall at the top. And, you know, I think it's what, a 81-foot waterfall?
81 foot, but you can't see it.
Yeah, you can't really see it too well. Now, if I had my drone, which aren't allowed, would have been pretty pretty dope footage. But I guess now it's making our way back up to the top and getting back onto the next trail.
So we've hiked, I don't know, 3 or 4 miles now down that right there, and yeah, we just did nothing. We saw nothing. This is what we saw. Yeah, we saw a deer. That was cool. So I can see that in my backyard. Saw chipmunks, squirrel, bunch of centipedes, spiders, a butterfly, one butterfly. Got to what was supposed to be an 81-foot falls, and you couldn't see it because it was behind trees and you were at the top and you couldn't get to the bottom. Definitely not a hike I'd recommend doing. I think it was called Lewis Falls. Not worth it, don't do it. And now we're about 3/4 of the way back to the truck, and we still got about a mile to go of that. You're printing. Well, actually not printing, you're showing. Yeah, there you go. Yep.
Wait a second. This isn't the trailer.
Yeah, what the fuck happened?
We were originally going to camp in the trailer, which was great the first night.
You can't say that with a straight face, can you?
It was okay at best. It was a much better idea than it was in execution, but it worked for the first night. We got through it. I guess maybe they took pity on us, but we got a cabin now, so
Yeah, upgrade.
kind of cool, you know. Nice to come home, do a little bit of AC after you're done doing.
Very, very little bit of AC.
Oh, it's better. We had 0 AC in the trailer, so
Luckily, it was a cool night that first night
yeah, this is very true. So,
with the industrial strength fan I brought.
oh, that thing was amazing. That had me cold in the trailer. It's just the floor sucked. Even my sleeping pad didn't really help out much.
Nah, that was rough.
Yeah, but yeah, from this point forward, man, we got some nice accommodations for the week, and we'll see where this series goes.
Even the worst hikes have their moments. Sometimes the only view you get is of your own determination. Join us next time as we continue our adventures.